Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Woodstock local and long-distance movers near me. Transferring your things to a new apartment or office beyond 50 miles is a long-distance move. To begin, the long-distance movers you choose must be familiar with the numerous road networks. They must be knowledgeable about the shortest and most secure routes to your new address. 3 Movers has helped its customers in the facilitation of long-distance migrations throughout time. We meticulously prepare our customers' long-distance migrations, leaving no stone unattended. We only engage reputable and professional movers who can adequately plan, pack, arrange, and drive your belongings in the least amount of time feasible. We have moving vehicles large and convenient enough to transport both light and heavy items simultaneously. Our movers segregate fragile objects from heavy ones to avoid accidents that might result in property damage during the relocation. Because our drivers are familiar with the most exemplary paths through Woodstock, there is almost no possibility of your items getting lost or damaged. Unlike long-distance relocations, local relocations are less than 50 miles. Our local moving services are exceptional, affordable, quick, and dependable. Those who have previously patronized us have nothing but positive things to say about us. We guarantee that residents of Woodstock get the highest quality moving services at the most affordable costs. Our labor charges are reasonable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Woodstock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.